Well, friends, it's almost All Hallows Eve. It's the spookiest time of the year. There's a lot of frightening fungi and other creepy creatures out there living amongst us. Here's just a few that you should keep an eye out for. Alright, here's our first horror of the forest. Are these the necrotic undead fingers of zombies coming up around the base of this beech tree? Is this turtle's life in danger? Run away, turtle! Run! Faster! Actually, no. This is a fungus. Dead man's fingers. It's a rather long-lived fungus found all over the world in woodland areas. Decomposing dead or dying trees. Will come up in the late spring. Form these finger-like projections. They'll be lighter grayish, bluish in the spring, and it can last through the fall. The fingers will get longer and bigger and darker, and they'll form a little aperture at the top where they release their spores. This is an inedible fungus. It's just much too tough, and it also contains some toxins, but nothing to be too worried about. If you're brave enough, you too can touch the dead man's finger. Alright, that was our first creepy creature. Let's move on to the next one. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's something completely horrifying over there. I don't want to freak you out. If you can't handle demonic imagery, just turn this video off right now. Otherwise, let's go check it out. Alright, here we go. No, Skinny. Save yourself. It's too scary. Get away. Okay, good. Well, here they are. 3 hauntingly beautiful flowers. Evil parasitic flowers. These are the ghost plants. There's 3 ghost plants here. These are evil parasites, sucking the life out of poor innocent Russula mushrooms. They tap into the mycelium of the Russula mushroom, suck out all the nutrients. They need no chlorophyll, as they do not make any of their own food. There's this beautiful translucent stem, this big white trumpety flower. It's a very delicate plant. Will kind of melt in your hand if you should happen to pick it and turn black very rapidly. But there it is, Monotropa uniflora. Hauntingly beautiful and super scary ghost plants. I need to get out of here. It's hard to hold the camera steady. It's so scary. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Okay, so there's a really gruesome mushroom over here. It's pretty horrifying. I hope you can handle it. Let's go check it out. Touch it. Behold the horrifying skull-shaped puffball. These are quite like the giant puffball, but they're browner and they have more of a stem. This is scientifically named Calvatia craniiformis. for the cranium. It's also called the brain puffball because as it gets older, it can get some wrinkles and folds and divots in the top and look kind of brain-like. I've come across a lot of these in pastures and yards, just driving around. These ones just happen to be in the woods. They can be found either place, often in groups. It is an edible mushroom. If the gleba is white, that's the interior of the puffball. The gleba, that's a fun word. The gleba on this mushroom is yellow and brown. Therefore, it's not edible. All right, let's move on to the next frightening fungus. Is everybody doing okay? It's been pretty scary so far. If you have the courage to keep going, brace yourselves, because right over here is one of the most frightening fungi of the forest. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here we have funeral bells, also known as deadly Galerina. This is one of the most toxic mushrooms in the forest. It can definitely cause your organs to shut down. It grows sometimes singly, but sometimes in clusters on decomposing wood, usually logs on the ground. You can find it in the fall and winter. It's kind of an orangish brown color. There will have a tiny ring on the stem usually. Funeral bells, funeral bells. This kind of mushroom will kill you. Orange and small, growing on a log. If you eat it, you will pass away. Okay, so there's some really scary mushrooms right here by this big giant stump. Some of the most Halloweeny mushrooms out there. The Jackal Lantern mushroom. Let's check them out. All right, well, here it is, the most Halloweeny of all the mushrooms, the Jackal Lantern mushroom. Beautiful light orange color, growing in large clusters. This one probably has 15 or so. People sometimes get these confused with the chanterelle mushrooms and poison themselves. This is a poisonous mushroom. It will not kill you, but it will probably make you very sick or maybe even send you to the hospital. But the coolest, scariest thing about the jack-o'-lantern mushroom is that it glows in the dark. It is bioluminescent, particularly the fertile surface. It's hard to capture, but if you're out at night, your eyes are adjusted, you can see these glow if you get down low. It's a very scary and very impressive mushroom that you can find in the fall and the summer. But yeah, that's quite a mushroom. One to look out for. It won't hurt you unless you eat it. Well, I hope that wasn't too scary. I hope you didn't pee your pants or anything. Have a happy Halloween, everyone. I'll see you next time on Mushroom Journeys.